back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create yearly vision boards in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create yearly vision boards on Canva is pretty much very simple. All you gotta do is simply open your Canva application. So once you open your Canva application, all you gotta do is simply go and in the search bar you need to go and tap on the template, and in the search sign simply write yearly vision board. Once you find the vision board template, simply hit the search button, and now you can get different kind of fonts or like templates to plan your vision board. Now you can select any of the vision board template and simply replace the photos and customize this template as per your need and liking. So this way you can simply make a vision board in Canva and simply get it exported as a PDF, JPG or PNG files. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.